Established in 1864, just outside Hanover, Germany, Vereinigte Schmiergel- und Maschinenfabriken, or VSM for short, has become one of the world's leading abrasive manufacturers. More specifically, we develop and produce high-quality, high-tech coated abrasives for many industrial metalworking and woodworking applications. We strive to create quality products by understanding the customer's ever-evolving production process and how the coated abrasive product performs for their application. This approach allows our research and development team to create products that far exceed expectations. At VSM, we incorporate a high degree of vertical integration throughout the entire manufacturing process, from the formulating and blending of our own resins, to the finishing of backing materials at our own cloth treatment facility, and treatment of all abrasive grains. Furthermore, VSM Abrasives is one of the few coated abrasive manufacturers who produce their own, conventional, and shaped ceramic grain, as well as multi-layered granulates for long-life abrasives. This complete control allows us to consistently produce the highest quality products for our customers. Our dedication spans across the globe, with 16 international subsidiaries, supported by a strong partner network in over 70 countries worldwide. Strategically located just outside St. Louis, Missouri, VSM Abrasives Corporation is responsible for converting abrasive belts, discs, rolls, and sheets for customers in the United States. Markets we serve include primary metals, such as sheets, cylinders, dampings, and castings. Transportation, such as turbines, propellers, body, and powertrain. Medical, such as implants, furniture, and containers. Food equipment, such as appliances, cookware, and cutlery. VSM supports these markets with a team of experts who are committed to developing close relationships with our customers and supporting their success. Our highly trained application engineers and local territory managers are available for on-site visits, which is sometimes necessary for a more accurate analysis of the entire grinding process. This partnership allows us to determine the most appropriate product for a customer's specific application, which will help reduce their finishing costs and increase their production efficiencies. In addition, our customers speak to a dedicated customer service representative who builds a personal relationship to better understand their unique business needs. This means no automated services. We value each customer and strive to provide a memorable experience with some of the industry's shortest lead times, free product samples, and a customized approach to customer service. We also offer a range of training options, both online and on-site, for those who want to learn more about coated abrasives. These options can range from general knowledge to industry-specific topics, depending on our customers' needs. With VSM, you can rely on high-quality, high-tech products that are supported by a team of experts who are focused on your success every day, everywhere. And, with more than 150 years of experience, we are confident in our ability to assist you, because we know abrasives.